Now dear students, do question number 2 yourself. It is just similar to the first question. First is mean, so take the sum of all the observations and divided by number of observations means 15. Then median, because number of observations are 15, so I'll explain you for median. Because n is 15, so for 15 that is odd number. For this we will apply the formula median is equal to n plus 1 by 2th term. This time first we will add 1 to n, then this term, right? So we'll take 15 plus 1 divided by 2. इसमें पहले add करेंगे then divide, right? So in this way, so 15 plus 1 is 16 by 2, that is 8th term. 8th term is the median. So to get the 8th term, first of all you have to, so dear students, to get the 8th term, first of all you have to arrange the data in ascending order. We can't select the 8th term from the question. यहाँ से नहीं आपको select करना first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth. No, this is not the median. आपको क्या करना होगा, पहले arrange करो increasing order में, then follow this step. First step आपको arrangement करना है, then find the median 8th term. So this is your homework. First arrange them in ascending order, then see which is the 8th term in that order. That will give you the median, the answer. That will give you the answer. So try this question yourself. And mod is the most repeating value. The value which is occurring for maximum number of times, right? Now third question. This is very, very, very important question, right? And this question can be asked in your 10th class also. The following observations have been arranged in ascending order. Dear students, these terms are already in ascending order. No need to arrange them like in dono questions mein we have arranged them, but they are already in ascending order. So if the median of the data, second important thing is median of the data is already given to us, that is 63. Find the value of x. So whenever there is any missing term in that question, median is already given to you and the observations are already written in ascending order. So how to do this question? So we'll follow the same method. First step is the observations should be in ascending order. Now in this question no need to do it ourselves, it is already given in ascending order. Then again we'll follow the same method as the number of observations are 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So n is 10. That means even number of observations are there. So if even number of observations are there, we'll apply the same formula. But in this case, median is already given to us. So we'll put the value for median for even number of terms. So the formula is, yes, speak out. What is the formula? N by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term divided by 2. And the value of this median is given to us 63. So we'll write it along with this. So now n is 10. So we'll take 10. 10 by 2 means 5th term plus again 10 by 2 plus 1. So again now first divide then addition. Means 5 plus 1 6th term is equal to 63 and divided by 2. So the 5th term will write 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2 is equal to 63. Now let us look at the arrangement given to us. Let us see which is 5th term and 6th. First 29, second 32, third 48, fourth 50, 5th term is x and 6th term is x plus 2. This is our 5th term, and this is our 6th. So we'll put the values of 5th and 6th term in this here. 5th term plus 6th term divided by 2. So we'll write x plus, we'll write x plus, this is fifth term, plus sixth term is x plus 2. बेटा यहाँ पर प्लस है, दैट्स वाई वी आर नॉट पुटिंग द ब्रैकेट, बट अगर यहाँ माइनस होता विल डेफिनेटली. सो डिवाइडेड बाय 2 is equal to 63 median given to us. Now just solve it. X plus x is 2x plus 2 and cross multiply, you will get 126. So 2x is equal to 126 minus 2, 124. X is equal to 124 by 2. So x is equal to, what do we get? 62. So this is your x. Means the fifth term is 62. And sixth term क्या आ जाएगी? 62 plus 2, 64. If they'll ask you both the missing terms, so you have to answer in this way. So I hope it is clear to. This is very important question.